Welcome to the Affincome Training Kit. We are so excited to have you here, and hope it will be very helpful for you. Inside this comprehensive step-by-step video tutorial, we are going to show you how you can instantly propel yourself into the big leagues as a hotshot affiliate marketer, and see boatload of cash flowing into your bank account, even if you are a complete beginner. According to Statista, affiliate marketing spending in the US alone is expected to reach $8.2 billion by 2022, more than triple what it was 10 years earlier. So there's no better time to start than right now. And you're going to learn everything there's to learn to make huge money online with affiliate marketing. So let's get started. Affincome Training Kit. Chapter 1, What is affiliate marketing? Inside this video training, we are going to give you a brief overview of what actually is affiliate marketing and how does it work. Let's have a look. So what is affiliate marketing and how does it work? Affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's products and earn a specific commission on every sale you make. So here is how it works. You find affiliate products. Promote your affiliate products to make sales. You will earn commissions on each sale you make. Next, affiliate marketing benefits. It works without making a product, without creating a website, without taking care of delivery, without taking care of the member area, without taking care of the refund, without taking care of support. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 2. Warriorplus Overview. In that video, we are going to give you a detailed overview of the Warriorplus marketplace step by step. See you in the next tutorial. Welcome to the Affincome Training Kit Chapter 2, Warriorplus Overview. In this video tutorial, we are going to give you a detailed overview of Warriorplus Marketplace step by step. So let's get started. So we are on warriorplus.com, which is its official homepage. Here it is written: your profit is our business, best-in-class sales automation, affiliate network, and education for digital business owners and online marketers, with a learn more and sign up free button. On right, we have this features tab, click on it. So this is their features page. Here it is showing limitless sales funnels at Warriorplus. We don't believe in limits. Then we have unlimited upsells and downsells, unlimited products per page, multiple payment providers, dynamic pricing, split tests. Below we have tracking stats, pixels, you can see details about it as well. Then we have affiliate offers galore. Here you can find the best offers to promote. We have launch calendar, extra exposure, clear stats, easy link request, and get started button. Then know your customers. Here you can see your data when you need it. Manage your customers, buyers, and subscribers easily. And a get started button. Next is multi-tiered commissions, which is to motivate your affiliates. Then there is easily manage affiliates, automated product alerts, powerful modern API. Then there's even more features. Coupon codes, pre-launch, easy ad placement, split testing, multiple payment options, delegate logins, affiliate accelerator, instant payments. You can get paid instantly via PayPal for affiliate commissions. Then we have affiliate sync, purchase history, vendor profiles, launch calendar. Then their worldwide partners integrations, a member pro, ARP reach, Aweber, constant contact, digital access pass, Drip, Kajob, Infusionsoft, GoToWebinar, Google, GetResponse, Facebook, MailChimp, OptimizePress, Product Dino, Slack, and Wishlist. A little below we have more options. Here they have their help and support link if you need help with anything. Back on top, let's go to the home page and scroll a little down, and here you can see more of its features. Then we have customer testimonials. Next is the Why Choose Warriorplus section. Stable. Its community since 2006. Then, powerful. Support. Evolving. Experience. Community. Then, at last, we have Create Account button. Or you can sign up for free from this top free sign up button. So that's pretty much everything about Warriorplus. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 3. JVZoo Overview. In that video, we are going to give you a brief overview of the JVZoo marketplace step by step. See you in the next tutorial. Welcome to the Affincome Training Kit Chapter 3. JVZoo Overview. In this video tutorial, we are going to give you a detailed overview of the JVZoo marketplace step by step. So let's get started. So this is the home page of JVZoo and you can see its official logo here. Below it is written Selling, Sell More with Us, and a Start Selling More Today button. On the top right, we have About, Features, Your Purchases, Log in and Start for Free buttons. Below we have their integration partners: Payoneer, Aweber, Stripe, PayPal, Slack, GetResponse. Then, Instant Affiliate Program with more than 800,000 active affiliates. Then we have Never Pay for Bad Traffic Again. Next is Affiliate Payments Made Easy, and then Sellers Benefits and Affiliates Benefits. Then Automated Affiliate Payments, pay when you make a sale, then more benefits. Next is Worried About Regulations. We've got you covered. Staying on top of new rules, regulations and keeping your offers compliant is extremely important. JVZoo puts compliance front and center. Then, JVZoo is fully compliant with FTC, GDPR, CASL, ACMA, PCI, SCA. Next, what it means for sellers. Your offers will be in good company with all other network offers being compliant. You won't be associated with any bad apples that can ruin your reputation. You won't risk losing your merchant account due to lack of compliance. Next, for affiliates. Only promote fully compliant offers you can be confident in recommending. Don't risk your good reputation with your subscribers and followers. Stop worrying whether promoting an offer will randomly punish you. And we have the Get Started button. Then, the lights are always on at JVZoo. Helping you succeed is our #1 priority. That's why our support desk is manned by real people 365 days a year. This means they have 24/7 active support. Next, it is an affiliate platform made for everyone, including affiliate marketers, software developers, info marketers, membership sites, product creators. Then their customers' testimonials, after that their FAQ section, and at last we have Start for Free button just like on top. So this is the overview of the JVZoo marketplace. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 4. ClickBank Overview. In that video, we are going to give you a detailed overview of the ClickBank marketplace, step by step. See you in the next tutorial. Welcome to the Affincome Training Kit Chapter 4. ClickBank Overview. In this video tutorial, we are going to give you a detailed overview of the ClickBank marketplace step by step. So let's get started. So here we are on clickbank.com, which is ClickBank's official homepage. On left, we have its logo, and in right, we have tabs like Home, Shop. We have all these options inside the Shop tab. Then we have Promote, Sell, Learn, Support. Then Log in and Sign Up button. Here it says ClickBank is a leading global retailer and affiliate marketplace. On this we can sell, shop, promote, learn. Scroll below and here we have empowering entrepreneurs stats. In over 200 countries. For over 20 years. With over $4.2 billion paid. Then you can become an affiliate, just click on this Start Promoting button. And become a seller by clicking on this Start Selling button. Then automate and grow your online business. You can either sell or promote. On top, click on this Learn tab. Here it says, Learn with Spark. Spark is the official ClickBank education platform. At Spark, we're dedicated to helping internet newbies and experienced product vendors advance their digital marketing skill set. With a Learn More button. Then Fuel for Growth. Next is Spark Your Knowledge with comprehensive tutorials, cutting-edge education, expert guidance. At the bottom, a few more options and an Enroll button. On top, let's move to the home page. So that's pretty much everything about ClickBank. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 5. How to find affiliate products in any niche? In that video, we will see how to find affiliate products in any niche, step by step. See you in the next tutorial. Welcome to the Affincome Training Kit Chapter 5. How to find affiliate products in any niche. In this video, we will see how to find affiliate products in any niche, step by step. So let's get started. Now go to Google and here in the search bar, type your niche name plus affiliates in double quotes. Let's say niche is coffee, type in and search. Now you will get all the related results. Open the site of your choice from here. Let's try with travel niche and we get all the results for travel. Open any site you want to choose products. Next, we try the luxury niche. So this is how you search for affiliate networks for your niche. Let's go to the site we opened for coffee. Here on this page, you can see all the required information, cookie policy and how to join. Read it carefully to decide. Now let's go to the next site. Here also we can see all the earning details, cookie period, and how to join. Like it says, it is free, simple, and straightforward. To join, click on this sign up here link. On the next page, you will see similar information. That's for travel. Next is for luxury. So whatever your niche is, go to Google and type it here in the search bar with the keyword affiliates to search for affiliate programs. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 6. How to choose best affiliate offers. In that video, we will see how to choose the best affiliate offers to promote, step by step. See you in the next tutorial. Welcome to the Affincome Training Kit Chapter 6. How to choose best affiliate offers. In this video, we will see how to choose the best affiliate offers to promote, step by step. So let's get started. The thing is, there are so many affiliates offers available, then how do you choose a good affiliate product? Now, what you should pay attention to. Affiliate program from a trusted marketplace. Complete product description. Affiliate tools. Easy payment method. Easy registration. Registration is free. The product owner can be contacted. Keep all these points in mind while choosing affiliate offers to promote. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 7. How to promote products on Warriorplus. In that video, we will see how to promote products on Warriorplus, step by step. See you in the next tutorial. Welcome to the Affincome Training Kit Chapter 7. How to promote products on Warriorplus. In this video, we will see how to promote products on Warriorplus, step by step. So let's get started. So on the Warriorplus homepage, we will click on this login button and then enter your username or email address and password and click on the login button. Then enter the verification code which they have sent to your registered email ID, paste it here and click on Verify Code button. After logging in, first, you see their top products list of today, yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days. Let's go to the Today tab and open the first products link from the top. So this is the product sales page. Read it to gain information about the product. You can repeat the same process with other products as well. Now here, go to this top marketplace tab and select top products. So you'll get the same list. Then select View All Products from right and here you can see all of its products. Choose the one from here you like to promote. Open the link of it and again the sales page of the product is opened. Back on Warriorplus, go to that affiliate tab and select offers from here. The first offer on this page is Deal of the Day. Below we have a list of all the offers to promote. You can request an affiliate link for any product you like from this request button. You can view the vendor's detail from here as well as the number of sales. Click on this request button for the affiliate link. Here click on this request approval button. Now enter your request message to the vendor for approval. Well, it's optional and after that click on this request offer button. Keep this subscribe option checked. So now your request has been successfully sent. Right now it is showing that your request is pending. You can also cancel it from this cancel request button. Back here, Repeat the process to request an affiliate link for any product you want. After approval, you will get the Get Link button like this. Click on it and here is your affiliate link that you need to promote. Copy it from here and start promoting. To search, go to the top and enter the name of the offer you want to promote like PLR and click on this search button. So below you will get all the offers with the name PLR in them. You can also request affiliate links of them from here as well. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 8. How to promote products on JVZoo. In that video, we will see how to promote products on JVZoo, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.